I'm here with Simon from Spartan Campers. These are beautiful camper vans. Now, if you know me, Motorhome Matt, you'll know I'm not a big VW camper van fan. I'm far more of a larger van, or even possibly a coach built.
Horses for courses.
But you, Simon, might have turned my eye. Tell us a little bit about this van.
This is our standard conversion. It's built around the whole Spartan brand. So we are camper vans built by campers. We live and breathe it. We're out in the vans ourselves every week. So we go through this huge R&D. This is 3 years in the making to get where we are now. So we'll be out every weekend, come back Monday morning and go, this doesn't work, we're changing it. This comes out, that goes out. We used to have an oven system in the middle here.
You've got a microwave in it?
Yeah. So Joe and Stacey went away with their 2 little girls, cooked dinner, sat outside, little girl ran back inside, put a hand on the oven, burnt a hand. Now we're microwaves. So it's a case of adapting as we go to make it the most usable vehicle as you can. We've got a drawer system here, it's under the sink. It's a waste of dead space. It used to be a little cupboard. Now we've got a pop-up button and there's a cutlery tray that hides underneath it. So we're constantly just evolving the design to get to the most usable vehicle.
But the finish is great. I love the way the worktop kind of blends in with the splashback.
Premium finish to everything. We don't want anyone to go away and think, I wish it was a little bit better. So all of our vans, even from the sort of the basic model, is going to be the highest quality you can
And you recover all the seats
yourselves? We do, yeah. Everything's done in-house, full upholstery, and we have the slide and swivel system, so you can actually sit in the doorway and enjoy your view.
This is clever. Now I noticed over there the seat came a long way back.
That's it, yeah.
And so you've actually changed the base plate to extend it back into the...
mainly. So for you can dine together, you're not all sat spaced apart, separate chairs to actually sit and eat.
Yeah.
You can sit together nice and easy and still enjoy that sunset from the side of your van.
I love it. So I'm quite fussy when it comes to design and layout and very particular. Firstly, can I give you a van to convert?
Yeah, you can bring me your own van, so you go and find the perfect base van, and I'll turn it into a Spartan van.
Okay, and can I design and spec the interior?
Can. Absolutely everything, from the floor into upholstery, even the stitching inside of it, it's completely down to yourself. No extra price, doesn't matter whether I design it or whether you design it, you're coming out with the same thing.
I'm not going to design it. I'll let you design it.
Well, we'll work together on that.
But layout as well, can I change that?
You can. We do a long wheelbase and a short wheelbase, so it just changes the cabinetry slightly, but we're also working on a U-shaped system at the minute, which will have a different layout completely.
A U-shaped system?
Yeah, so it's going to give you a P-shaped bed at the back, still have all your cabinetry, it's just a completely different layout, something new to work with.
And that's coming when?
That should be about a couple more months now before we finish the development of it, and that'll be hitting the market before the end of the year.
And how long has Spartan been going?
So we're coming up on 4 years now.
Right, okay.
Started as a very small unit, just 2 guys and a little unit. We're now up to 6 units, nearly 30 people working for us. We have about 500 vans out on the road now, so we're putting out 5 vans a week.
And you're at all of these Warner shows, aren't you?
We are, yeah, we don't miss a single one. We're out here seeing everybody.
But you're not just about camper vans, right? There's more to Spartan than just taking a van and converting it.
We're one big family. So we've got a Facebook group, it's our Spartan Family Adventures. Everyone who owns a van's in there. The great thing about it is we live and breathe it ourselves. So because we're camping, we don't see what everyone's doing. We have hundreds of photos a day of these vans all around the country, going everywhere. And the best part about it is, because shows like this, we have our Spartan members will turn up and they sell our vans on the site because they just want to talk to people about how great they are, and it's just a constantly evolving family situation.
So building that sense of community is obviously really important for you.
Yes.
And it's about a sense of belonging, isn't it, for customers?
Yes, we did at the earlier Warner show this year, we brought all our members together, we had a camp out, got everyone down there, and it's great to actually put the faces together, see everyone after 2 years after they bought a van, they're coming back to see us. Everyone sat around the campfire having some toasted marshmallows and just enjoying the whole Spartan lifestyle. I love that. It's such an important part of this pastime, isn't it? You can go and buy a van from anywhere and it's a van, but you actually buy into the whole Spartan feel and vibe. And we want you to be part of us, not just own one of our vans. Well, it's great to see you. And thank you very much. I wish you a very successful year ahead. It's a pleasure to see you. Nice to see you.